How to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in gallery. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for search your app WhatsApp or click here and search. Go to force stop and click OK and go to storage and click clear cache. After these steps, turn on airplane mode and turn off airplane mode. And don't forget click this option and turn on storage and turn on camera. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.